We want to buy your house in cash now. Learn how to sell your house quickly and hassle-free for cash. Discover the step-by-step process and tips to maximize your profit. We want to buy your house in cash. Here's how. If you're considering selling your house, you may have heard about the option of selling it for cash. Selling your house for cash can offer a variety of benefits and advantages, making it an attractive option for many homeowners. In this article, we'll explore the process of cash home buying, the benefits it offers, and why you should consider choosing us as your cash home buyer. Understanding cash home buying. Before we dive into the details, let's start by understanding what cash home buying actually means. Cash home buying is a process where a buyer purchases your house directly, eliminating the need for a traditional real estate transaction. Instead of going through the lengthy process of listing your house on the market, waiting for potential buyers, and dealing with financing contingencies, cash home buyers offer a faster and more streamlined option. When you choose cash home buying, you're opting for a convenient and efficient way to sell your house. It provides a solution for homeowners who are looking for a quick and hassle-free sale without the uncertainties and delays that are often associated with traditional home sales. What is a cash home buying? In a cash home buying transaction, the buyer pays for the house with cash instead of relying on a mortgage loan. This provides a significant advantage for sellers as it eliminates the risk of a buyer's financing falling through. With cash home buying, you can enjoy a quick and hassle-free sale without the uncertainty and delays that are often associated with traditional home sales. Imagine being able to sell your house without worrying about the buyer's mortgage approval or dealing with financing contingencies. With cash home buying, you can have the peace of mind knowing that the deal will be closed smoothly and efficiently. The benefits of selling your house for cash. There are several benefits to selling your house for cash. Firstly, it offers a quicker selling process. Since there's no need to wait for a mortgage approval or deal with financing contingencies, you can close the deal and get paid in a matter of days or weeks, depending on the agreement. By choosing cash home buying, you can bypass the lengthy process of listing your house on the market, hosting open houses, and waiting for potential buyers to make offers. Instead, you can enjoy a streamlined and efficient sale that allows you to move on with your life sooner. Additionally, selling your house for cash allows you to skip the repairs and improvements typically required in a traditional sale. Cash buyers often purchase houses in as-is condition, saving you time and money on costly repairs. This is especially beneficial for homeowners who may not have the resources or desire to invest in fixing up their property before selling. Furthermore, selling your house for cash provides a higher level of certainty and convenience. You don't need to worry about open houses, negotiations, or dealing with multiple potential buyers. With cash home buying, you can have peace of mind knowing that the sale will go through smoothly and quickly. Overall, cash home buying offers a convenient and efficient way to sell your house. It provides numerous benefits, including a faster selling process, the ability to sell your house in its current condition, and a higher level of certainty and convenience. If you're looking to sell your house quickly and without the hassle of traditional home sales, cash home buying may be the ideal solution for you. The process of selling your house to us. If you decide to sell your house for cash, you may be wondering what the process entails. Here's a breakdown of how it works when you choose us as your cash home buyer. Initial contact and property evaluation. Once you express interest in selling your house for cash, the first step is to reach out to us. We understand that selling the house can be a big decision, so we strive to make the process as easy and convenient as possible for you. Our friendly and professional team will be available to answer any questions you may have and guide you through the entire process. After you contact us, we will schedule a time to visit your property and evaluate its condition. One of our experienced property evaluators will come to your house and conduct a thorough assessment. Don't worry, we buy houses in any condition, so you don't need to worry about making any repairs or improvements beforehand. Our goal is to provide you with a fair and competitive cash offer, regardless of your house's current condition. During the evaluation, we will assess your house's current market value and consider any necessary repairs or improvements that may affect the offer. We understand that every house is unique, and we take into account all the factors that contribute to its value. Our team has extensive knowledge of the local real estate market, allowing us to provide you with an accurate and fair cash offer. Once the evaluation is complete, we will provide you with a fair cash offer for your house. We pride ourselves on transparency and fairness, so you can trust that the offer we present to you is based on a thorough assessment of your property's value. Receiving and accepting our cash offer. After we present our cash offer, you will have time to review and consider it. We understand that selling your house is a significant decision, and we want you to feel comfortable and confident in your choice. Our team will be available to address any concerns you may have and provide any additional information you need to make an informed decision. We encourage you to ask any questions or seek clarification on the offer. We believe in open and honest communication, and we want you to have all the information you need to make the best decision for yourself and your situation. Our team of experts will be happy to explain the offer in detail and help you understand the entire process. If you decide to accept our cash offer, we will move forward and proceed to the closing stage. We will guide you through the necessary steps and ensure that everything is handled efficiently and professionally. However, if you decide not to accept the offer, there is no obligation or pressure to continue with the sale. We understand that selling your house is a personal decision, and we respect your choice. Closing the deal and getting paid. Once you accept our cash offer, we will handle all the necessary paperwork and work closely with any relevant parties, such as title companies or attorneys, to ensure a smooth and efficient closing process. We understand that time is of the essence, and we strive to complete the closing as quickly as possible. Our team has extensive experience in real estate transactions, and we will take care of all the details to ensure a hassle-free closing. We will coordinate with all the parties involved and keep you informed throughout the process. Our goal is to make the closing process as simple and stress-free as possible, allowing you to focus on your plans for the future. On the closing day, you will receive the agreed-upon cash payment for your house, and the ownership will be transferred to us. We understand that this is an important moment for you, and we want to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Our team will be there to guide you through the final steps and answer any questions you may have. We aim to make the process simple and stress-free, allowing you to move forward with your plans without any delays. Selling your house for cash can provide you with the flexibility and peace of mind you need, and we are here to make that process as seamless as possible. Why choose us for your cash home sale? Now you may be wondering, why should you choose us as your cash home buyer? Here are a few reasons why we stand out from the competition. Our experience and expertise. We have years of experience in the real estate industry, specializing in cash home buying. Our team has the expertise and knowledge to navigate the process efficiently and provide you with a smooth and seamless experience. With our extensive market knowledge, we can offer you a fair cash offer that reflects the current market conditions and the unique features of your property. Our commitment to fair and transparent deals. At our company, we prioritize fairness and transparency throughout the entire buying process. From the initial evaluation to the closing, we will ensure that you fully understand the offer and that there are no hidden fees or surprises along the way. We believe in building long-term relationships with our clients, and our commitment to honesty and integrity is at the core of everything we do. Preparing your house for a cash sale. Before you sell your house for cash, there are a few steps you can take to ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Necessary repairs and improvements. While cash home buyers typically purchase houses in as-is condition, it's still a good idea to address any necessary repairs or improvements before putting your house on the market. Taking care of minor repairs and ensuring everything is in working order can increase your home's appeal and potentially lead to a higher cash offer. Staging your home for evaluation. When we visit your property for evaluation, consider staging your home to make it more visually appealing. Decluttering, depersonalizing, and arranging furniture in a way that showcases each room's potential can leave a positive impression and potentially influence the cash offer. Frequently asked questions about cash home sales. Here are answers to some commonly asked questions about selling your house for cash. How quickly can I sell my house for cash? The timeline for selling your house for cash can vary depending on various factors, such as the location, market conditions, and the complexity of the transaction. However, in most cases, the process can be completed within a few days to a few weeks, providing a significantly faster option compared to traditional home sales. Do I need a real estate agent to sell my house for cash? No, you do not need a real estate agent to sell your house for cash. Cash home buyers purchase directly from homeowners, eliminating the need for a listing agent. This allows you to save on commission fees and simplifies the selling process. What if my house is in poor condition? Don't worry if your house is in poor condition. Cash home buyers are typically interested in purchasing properties in as-is condition. This means you don't need to make any repairs or improvements before selling. We buy houses in any condition, so you can sell your house quickly and without the stress of extensive renovations. In conclusion, selling your house for cash offers a faster, more convenient option compared to traditional home sales. With our expertise and commitment to fairness, we provide a seamless experience from the initial evaluation to the closing. So, if you're considering selling your house, consider choosing us as your cash home buyer. Contact us today to get started on your cash home sale. We specialize in fair cash offers and a fast closing process, and I promise no lowball offers, just a simple, hassle-free experience. If you'd like to discuss this further, please let me know so we can get you an offer. LandHouseHub LLC@gmail.com